Well, I think it's really important to understand, get a little bit of perspective of the kind of world that I think we're moving into. I think we're coming out of a world where you went to school, and I mean, most of us, we were kind of born into our cultures. We went to school and we kind of got a download of the cultural education. And then we went on and we learned a skill or a trade or a profession. And then the whole game was just do it right and don't screw up. And you can probably have a job and a career for the rest of your life and everything will be fine. And we're the very first generations that have grown up with change being normal. So changing in jobs, changing in careers. For thousands of years, that didn't happen. We're literally the very first ones. But most people haven't, they kind of haven't extended that out into the future and gotten how much change there's going to be in the future. Like it's really going to be not, the game is not going to be like learn a trade, learn a job, and then do it for the rest of your life. I think the game is going to be more envision how you want to develop yourself and envision the kinds of environments that you want to create and the kinds of success that you want to create and the ways you want to make an impact and contribution, and then go and work with technology and technology tools to extend your own creative abilities, your own intelligence.